Stop grabbing junk food. Here are some tasty low-calorie snacks you can make in minutes. First up, try some Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh berries. It's packed with protein and antioxidants to keep you energized. Next, how about some cucumber slices with hummus? It's crunchy, creamy, and oh so satisfying without the guilt. Got a sweet tooth? Mix a tablespoon of cocoa powder into your favorite nut butter and dip apple slices for a chocolatey delight. And don't forget about air popcorn. Sprinkle a bit of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor that's actually good for you. There you have it. Quick, easy, and healthy. Snack smart, stay fit, and keep crushing those health goals. Subscribe for more tasty tips.